Hello friends. Today we will discuss the topic, biggest gainer in a day's stock trading history ever, so let's start. What does largest stock gainer simply in the way will we define it? Nicely. The very best way is to have a look at what the agency become really worth while it turned into first installed, and what it's really worth now. This indicates in case you need to locate the inventory with the biggest inventory turnaround, you must recall now not the company's annual or monthly returns and popularity, but the business enterprise's increase in percent for the duration of its existence. The top 3 agencies that had the most important percentage rate benefit in the past 2 decades are 1. Tractor Supply County, 2. Altria, 3. Monster Energy. Let's discuss them one at a time and research what their gains have been during the beyond 2 decades and why they're at the listing and others aren't. Tractor Deliver County. Tractor Deliver Business Enterprise, TSCO, is a chain of retail stores within the United States that gives products for domestic reworking, farming, lawn and lawn conservation, fowl, equine, and puppy care. The agency turned into based in 1938 in Minot, North Dakota, U.S. This enterprise is situated in Brentwood, Tennessee, U.S. The TSCO furnishes customers with Severa services and products, and through that the company's revenue, in line with 2020 data, became about $10.620 billion United States dollars. The fee of general belongings was expected at $7.049 billion US dollars. The agency has won in all the biggest percentage gains in records. Its 20-year buying and selling general return in chances is 45,750%, that is in superb metric. TSCO is concentrated on a very particular market. It produces its items now not for individuals who are farming for business purposes or for making a living, however for the ones people who are farming as a interest. The range of these farms, also called hobby farms, lifestyle farms, or suburban farms, has increased dramatically for the reason that 2000s. By way of the give up of 2008 and the quit of 2013, the number of suburban farms outdoor of primary towns more than doubled. In line with the most recent USDA census, 38% of all farms, the biggest organization, had owners for whom farming changed into no longer a number one career. Tractor Deliver Co. has grown amid the brutal headwinds that producers have confronted over the past 20 years by way of relying solely on this region. The most important advantage that occurred in the inventory market became in 1933, March 15, while the Dow Jones business improved by us. COVID-19 had a huge impact on the company's increasing returns, which made TSCO one of the companies with the biggest share price gain even in the pandemic period. According to the official statistics, net revenues rose 35.0% to $3.18 billion in the second quarter of 2020, up from $2.35 billion in the second quarter of 2019. Comparable store revenue rose 30.5% in the second quarter of 2020, led by comparable transaction count and comparable overall profit increases of 14.6% and 15.8%, respectively. When consumers concentrated on the treatment of their homes, property, and livestock, the COVID-19 pandemic had a direct effect on market demand in all of the company's main product types. The rise in comparable sales growth was led by extraordinary demand for spring and summer seasonal segments, as well as remarkable growth in daily merchandise, including consumables, available, and edible products. Furthermore, the company with one of the biggest share gains was able to grow total revenue by 41.0% to $1.16 billion from $820.7 million in the prior year's second quarter. So that was our today topic that we discuss. Be connected for more informative videos. Like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.